Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to migrate or transfer all your contacts and chats from Skype to Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft will automatically transfer all your data, and what you can do right now, as you can see I have both of them opened. What you can do is to go ahead and download the Microsoft Teams app if you are already using Skype. Now what you want to do is to use your Skype credentials to sign into Microsoft Teams once you download it. However, if that doesn't work, because here in this video I'm recording it before the due date of the ending of Skype, so I'm recording it in March of 2025, not May. So in order to start proceeding here with the change, you can go here to Microsoft Teams and then click on the three dots right here at the top right next to your name or your profile picture if you have one. And then you want to go to the Teams Insider program, and then you want to go ahead and click on join, and this will restart your Teams application. So go ahead and click on restart. Okay, I don't want to allow Bluetooth right now. As you can see, Microsoft Teams is starting, and now you see the message here that Skype and Teams are coming together. And now if you click on continue, you should see here that your Skype username or Skype credentials are now shown, and you can click on them. Click on your Skype name here, and then edit your first and last name if you want to, and then continue. And this way you've signed in with your Skype credentials or information into Teams. And once the migration date, that's May 2025, comes, all your chats and contacts should be automatically transferred to your Microsoft Teams application here, since you've signed in with your Skype credentials.